So when Nomadic Native was here, he had left and he was scooting across Texas, heading out to Arizona, and he told me to check my water filter because the filter going into the water pump, had like a almost lime deposit in it, and he thought his pump was going out. So I come out and I checked mine. Andy checked his, and now Andy just got here and he'd had that same deposit in his, but I think well water is what probably contributes a lot to that. So I'm going to pull mine off. Andy's was really full, and you notice your pump starts, it's almost like it's vibrating more. It sounds different. It's not, my pump's pretty quiet, but it's starting to get loud, and so is Andy's. Now once he cleaned his out and he put the little bowl back on it, it got quiet again. So mine's noisy. I'm gonna take this off, I'm gonna show it to you. I don't think I can put the camera in there for one, it's dark. I'm gonna block the whole compartment up. I'm gonna get this off and then I will show it to you. All right, so if you look at that bulb right there, that is what gets a sediment in it. The water goes through that before it gets into the pump. So I'm gonna take this off and then I'm gonna show you how to disassemble it in order to clean it and get that sediment out of it and get your pump quiet and working and lasting. All right, so we got this apart. This one was a little booger. There's a little lip right here, and we had to get this screwdriver. There's like a little place for it actually down in it to pop it out to open it. But if you look, there's sediment in there, and it was all around, it's all around this edge. It's not heavy in there, it's nothing like Andy's was, but we're gonna get it cleaned out. What I'm gonna do is just go in and I'm gonna run this through the sink to start off with and see if I can get it. If not, I have canned air and I'll try that, and then I'll let you know. Okay, as you can see, mine, focus, there you go. Mine cleaned up pretty good. I just ran water through it and blew through it. It cleaned up pretty good, but you want to make sure this rubber seal is really clean because it'll leak there, and make sure that screen is clean on both sides. All right, so I think if you got up under there, you pulled that little filter off that little bowl, you cleaned it, you put it back on, turned your pump on, leak checked it, you may have 20 minutes in it. But that is designed to keep all the sediment from going into your pump and prematurely making your pump go out. So mine wasn't real bad, Andy's was, and when Matt checked his and got a hold of me to check mine, his actually was shutting the pump down. So all three of ours is in good shape. I hope this helps. Just a short little tidbit to maybe help your boondocking last a little longer. We'll see you guys. Thanks for watching.